If you're seeing a GoDaddy error 429, don't worry. It usually means you've hit a rate limit and the site is temporarily asking you to slow down. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account or the page you were trying to access without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, the easiest thing to do is wait 10 to 30 minutes. A 429 error is often caused by too many requests in a short period of time, so giving it a little cooldown time can solve the issue on its own. While you wait, avoid repeatedly refreshing the page, because that can sometimes make the rate limit last even longer. After the waiting period, go back and refresh the page once to see if the error is gone. If it still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a new browser tab and search for an internet speed test. Then run the test to make sure your connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes trigger loading problems that make the error look worse than it is. If your internet seems fine, move on to the browser itself. One common cause is an extension, especially an ad blocker or privacy tool that interferes with the page requests. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions, then go back and try the page again. If the error is still there, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Open the browser menu again, go to Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files, and then clear the data. Old or corrupted cached files can sometimes keep the same error showing up even after the issue has already been resolved. Once the cache is cleared, restart the browser and reload the site. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the GoDaddy error 429 right away. So to recap, start by waiting for the rate limit to reset, refresh the page, check your internet speed, disable browser extensions, and clear your cache. Those simple steps solve most 429 errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.